Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO19 Excel Chapter 10 Prepares Expansion Analysis Part A. Its project description is given here. You can read it carefully so you will understand what he want to ask in this. I will start this one from first step. In our first step, what is he asking? Start Excel, open and download file name Excel Chapter 10 Prepare Expansion Analysis 1 by 2. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So I have already opened my file. That's my file. I will enable edit this one. That's our first step. In our second step, what is he asking? The Red Golf Course and Pros Sales offers golf lesson to its clients for a fee of $140 per lesson. The cost for each lesson comprises both fixed and variable cost. Conducting a break-even analysis will determine the minimum number of clients Red Wolf need to have signed for golf course to offset of the cost. On the break-even analysis worksheet in the cell D6, calculate the gross revenue by multiplying the total clients by the golf lesson fees. So we will go to the here. We will multiply this one total clients multiplied by golf lesson fee in the cell D6. So it's 0 now. That's our first step. In our second step, what is he saying? In the cell D13, calculate the total fixed costs associated with the golf lesson. So we will go to the cell D13. That's our cell D13. We will sum these costs. So it will be the total cost. We'll sum this one. These are the fixed cost. So we will sum these costs, and that's our fixed cost result in the cell D13. What is the fourth step? In our fourth step, what is here? In the cell D15, calculate the total commission the golf instructor will earn by multiplying the gross revenue by the instructor commission. So we will go to the cell D15. That's our cell D15. We will put is equal to commission multiplied by what is he asking? Gross revenue by instructor commission. So we will gross revenue here in the cell D6 multiplied by D15. So we have got our instructor commission. That's our fourth step. In our fifth step, what is he asking? In the cell D16, calculate the total cost of seal supplies by multiplying the amount of supplies per client by the total clients. So we will go to the cell D16. Here, what is he asking? Supplies per client multiplied by total clients. Here in the cell C16 by D4. So we have got our result in the cell in this cell. That's our fifth step. In our sixth step, what is he asking? Calculate in the cell D17, calculate the total variable cost by adding the total instructor commission and the total cost of the supply. So we will go to the cell D17. Here we will sum total variable cost is the instructor commission and supplies per client. So that's our result. Instructor commission and the total cost of supplies. That's our sixth step. In our seventh step, what is he asking? In the cell D18, calculate the total expense by adding the total fixed cost and total variable cost. So we will go here, total expense, total variable cost plus total fixed cost. That's our result, total expenses. And in the cell, in the eighth step, what is asking? In the cell D19, calculate the net income by subtracting the total expense by the gross revenue. So we will calculate here total expense minus total gross revenue minus total expense, so it is our result as a net income, subtracting the total expense from the gross revenue. That's our 8 step. In our 9th step, what is he asking? In the cell D4, conduct a simple what if analysis by changing the value to 50, 60 and finally 65. Notice the changing in the cell D19. So we will go to the cell D4. In the cell D4, what we will put 50 first, then we will notice the result in the cell D19, and then we will put here 55, then we will see the result downside, and at the end what is he asking? We will put 65, and what will be our result in the cell? Net income will be 17.65. That's our 9th step. So we have total 25 steps in this assignment. I have performed 9 steps in this video. When we complete this video, our video will look like that. I will show you our solution file. When it's completed, it will look like that. So you will see what is the it's look like that. Break-even analysis worksheet look like that, while loan condition will be look like that, and fee and demand will look like that. Uh, So if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or if you need help in any online course like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, you can contact me also. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.